Need to browse without saving your history? Private mode in Vivaldi lets you open a separate window where your browsing data isn't stored after you close it. It's useful for shared computers, temporary logins, or when you don't want a session saved locally. To open a private window, click the Vivaldi icon in the top left corner, hover over File, and select New Private Window. You can also use a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and a private window will open instantly. You'll know you're in private mode because the window has a different appearance, making it easy to distinguish from a normal browsing session. While you're using private mode, Vivaldi won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or search history once you close the window. However, it's important to understand that this doesn't make you invisible online. Websites, your internet provider, or your network administrator can still see your activity. Once you close all private windows, Vivaldi automatically removes your private browsing data from that session. That's it. Now you know how to quickly open private mode in Vivaldi and what it actually does. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Vivaldi tutorials, browser tips, and customization guides.